Ridiculous noise. Can't even hear myself think. I've never seen so many Ferraris in my life. Good morning everybody from Marina, Dubai, W Hotel. Big Ewan's invited me to the Ferrari day. Corsa Cliente. We're going across the pits, full VIP. We'll give you a tour in a couple of minutes. But yeah, what a cracking day. Beautiful weather. Wait until you see a couple of F1 cars rocking around the track. A couple of GT cars. Yeah. So, full access to the pits, Corsa Cliente pits. Fortunately, I'm not one of them this time. Next year, we'll be getting in it, but the car's getting prepped, the car's getting ready. Flying drivers with the race cars, their own race cars, FXX cars. But yeah. Oh, the car's getting prepped, ready to go out. There we go. So, waiting for the F1 cars to go on. This is going to be some noise. So we're standing at the other side of the pit lane for you, just so you can get a nice sign. But on the other side is FXX cars, 599, Enzo. We'll go and see them next. But yeah, proper. Go, get the start up. Take it off. Ridiculous noise. Can't even hear myself think. Here we go. Let's go down to the other side with buggers. Here's beer drums. So 10 laps and they're in. Here they go. Love the smell of burning Ferrari in the morning. Got a big queue for the pits. So, pit walk again for you. Car's getting prepped for later on. Brakes. Tyre rockers. We shall get. Car's getting ready for the actual GT race cars. GT3 cars. Watch that, a bit of breakfast, and they'll catch up later. never seen so many Ferraris in my life. I used to work for Ferrari at the factory. My goodness, GT4, GT3. F12. Mental. Talking about special access, this was closed to everyone apart from us. So, free access to walk about all FXX cars. Having a nosy about old Enzo FXX and the 599 FXX. Old cars now, eh? But cracking cars. Big rail, 15 FXX cars. I think the F1 cars were cool. These are absolutely ridiculously cool. Come with a package of X amount for a year. I can't remember, I think it was $2 million or €2 million for a 2-year package, race meetings, mechanics, everything looked after. So basically we're only a little F1 team for $2 million. Well, not F1, it's like GT interior, that's the same position. It's a ridiculous same position. Oh, to be in heaven. In a heavenly car.